Hello friends, welcome to our channel Quest. All of you know that former Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe passed away recently. So let's have a look at some of the facts related to him in form of questionnaires. So let's start. First question: Shinzo Abe was the longest Prime Minister of which country? Answer: Japan. He is the first Prime Minister of Japan born after Second World War. He is originally from Yamaguchi Prefecture of Japan. Next question: Shinzo Abe was the president of which political party of Japan? Answer: Liberal Democratic Party. Next question: who was maternal grandfather of Shinzo Abe, who was Prime Minister of Japan from 1957 to 1960? Answer: Nobusuke Kishi. Next question: in 2006, Shinzo Abe became the youngest Prime Minister of Japan after whom? Answer: Fumimaro Konoe. Shinzo Abe became the youngest Prime Minister of Japan after Fumimaro Konoe. Fumimaro Konoe was the first youngest Prime Minister of Japan, and Shinzo Abe became the second youngest Prime Minister of Japan after Fumimaro Konoe. Next question: which civilian award of India did Shinzo Abe receive in 2021? Answer: Padma Vibhushan. Next question: foundation stone of which project of Indian Railways was laid by Shinzo Abe in 2017? Answer: Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. Next question: during his visit to Indian state Gujarat in 2017, which phrase was coined by him to denote the good relationship with India? Answer: Jai Japan, Jai India. Next question: which book did he wrote that depicts the politician's recent position on social security and educational reforms? Answer: Towards a Beautiful Country. The full title of the book is Towards a Beautiful Country, My Vision for Japan. Next question: who assassinated Shinzo Abe by his homemade gun? Answer: Tetsuya Yamagami. Tetsuya Yamagami was a member of Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. Next question: Shinzo Abe was shot during an election campaign in which city of Western Japan? Answer: Nara. Next question: the formation of which strategic security group was proposed by Shinzo Abe in 2007, aimed to resist China's rise as an economic and military superpower? Answer: Quad. Quadrilateral security dialogue is Quad. Its members are Australia, India, Japan, and United States. Next question. Which award did Shinzo Abe receive on 23rd January 2022 in Kolkata, India? Answer. Netaji Award. Consul General of Japan Nakamura Yutuka received the award on behalf of Shinzo Abe. Shinzo Abe was a great admirer of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the freedom fighter of India. And remember that 23rd January is the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. 23rd January 2022 was 125th birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.